Do you have trouble removing those contact lenses from your eyes? Are you frustrated and in pain due to repeated efforts to remove those contact lenses? If yes, then you have come to the right video. In today's video, I am going to be discussing what are the easy ways to remove those contact lenses from your eyes and how to do it safely without causing any injury to the lens or to the cornea. Hello everyone, I am Dr. PayalPandit, a board certified ophthalmologist and a cataract and refractive surgeon. One of the reasons why you might be having difficulty with removing your contact lenses is that your eyes have become too dry. So the first thing you can do is use a few drops of a lubricant drop into the eye and gently blink your eyes. Now this can reduce the dryness in itself. Suppose your eyes are not yet feeling moist enough, what you can do is put some more drops of the lubricant, gently shut your eyes and rub over the middle part of your upper lid. Now what this does is that it will gently lubricate all around the eye area. After a few more attempts of this, if you once your eyes start feeling more moist, you can then try to remove the contact lenses. The very first thing that you need to do before you remove your contact lenses is, yes, you guessed it right, clean hands. So go ahead and wash your hands with soap and water and dry it with a clean piece of cloth. This helps to reduce the risk of bacterial contamination to your contact lenses or transferring the bacteria into the contact lens case as well. Another important thing that you need to do is that always remove the contact lenses from the same eye first and place it in the correct side inside the lens case. Now this is important because both the eyes might not have the same power and therefore you don't want your contact lenses from your right eye and the left eye to get intermixed with each other. Now, about the techniques to remove the contact lenses, there are several methods by which you can remove them. The first one that I'm going to talk about is something called as the pinch method. Now, what we do is that you have to hold your eyelids and secure them first. Now, you can check out my video on how to put contact lenses where I go in detail why we have to actually secure our eyelids and what is the correct method to do them. So I'm just linking that video on the screen in front of me. So now once you have secured your eyelids, what you need to do is make a pinching motion with the thumb and index finger of your dominant hand. Now this pinching motion, the diameter of this has to be greater than that of your lens, slightly greater. So just practice it a few times before you approach your eye. Now holding your eyelids secure, do the pinching motion and approach the eye and it will dislodge the contact lens. Let me show that to you once again in slow motion. Looking straight ahead with your eyelids secure, pinching motion, approaching the eye and you just press or rather pinch and your contact lens gets dislodged. Now, it is better, especially in the early stages, to do this with the help of a mirror, and preferably if you are seated somewhere, keep a towel or something clean underneath you. So even if the contact lens falls down, it will be caught in a clean space. Okay. So some of the people, especially beginners, might find this method to be slightly more scary because you are trying to pinch something directly from the eye. So another technique which I like to tell my patients is the pinch and slide technique. So what happens in the pinch and slide technique is that once your eyelids are secure and you are looking straight ahead, you pinch the lower portion of the lens, slide it down and remove it from the eye. Now this can be done with you looking straight ahead, or an easier way is to look up. By looking up, there is an increased white area, which the whitish part of the eye increases, and so it is easier to slide it down after you've pinched it and gently removing it out of the eye. Some people do find it difficult to pinch the lens when it is on the black portion of the eye. For these people, I have a modification of this method. If you guys are liking the video so far, please do hit the like button and share this video with fellow contact lens users. So what is the modification of the pinch and slide method? It is the slide and pinch method. So what you can do is just check your eyelids and slide the lens first onto the part of the eye which is wide, and then you pinch it out. Now while doing the slide and pinch method, be careful not to let go of the contact lens at any point, because it will go back into its original place. So when you slide it with your index finger and immediately pinch it with your index finger and the thumb. Now the sliding can be done both horizontally and vertically. What I mean is, you can slide it to the side part, which is the white area of the eye, or you can look up and slide it down onto the white part of the eye and then pinch it out of the eye. Sometimes your contact lenses can get displaced under the eyelid. Now, first of all, use a mirror in this case and a bright source of light to see where your contact lenses might have gotten displaced. If it is in the upper lid, look down and gently massage your upper lid so that your contact lens can come down onto the black part or the white part of your eye. If your contact lenses have gotten displaced under the lower lid, look up and gently push against the lower lid so that it comes out. And once it has come over the white part of the eye, just use the pinch and slide method and it will be out. Now, once the contact lenses are out of the eye, the first thing you need to do is take it into the palm of your non-dominant hand. Put a few drops of the contact lens solution and rub the contact lenses on both the sides. You can even consider cleaning your contact lenses with a stream of the contact lens solution. What it does is it dislodges any debris which might be stuck onto the contact lens or any bacterial contamination, and now your contact lenses can finally be put into the case, and you can just cover it up with more contact lens solution, close it, and you're done. If you are having difficulty with removing your contact lenses even after following all of these above mentioned methods, then it is important that you visit your eye care specialist. Avoid sleeping in those contact lenses. Visit your eye care specialist at the earliest. Your doctors will have specialized instruments and machines by which they can visualize those lenses and remove them quite easily. Now, if you found this video interesting and useful, do consider checking out my other video on contact lens and how to put them into your eyes. And I will see you all again very soon in the next video. Stay healthy, keep those eyes healthy, and bye-bye.